guys, so I just got my hair done. I love it so much. So much dimension, yet it's still so super dark. Like, it doesn't look dark. I mean, it's much later at night, so it's like, it doesn't look dark at all in this lighting, but I promise you it's like really dark. Because I have my studio lights facing me, but like, look how dark it is. And like, it goes throughout, even in here. So I went, y'all are gonna laugh. So I have been following essentially this girl on Instagram, and I found her from a YouTuber that lived in my area, and she used to, now she moved away, but essentially Casey Holmes, and she posted where she got her hair done. And she said she, like, I was funny, she posted a video like right after her wedding, and she's like, I love my hair, but I'm changing it. And she's like, I'm going darker. And I have always been a fan of how she has her hair. Like, I would never be as blonde as she is, but I am obsessed with her hair. Like, I can't even tell you my obsession with her hair. And so she posted this, getting it darker for like the winter time. And I was like, oh my God, I am obsessed. When I say obsessed, I mean, I have been fixated on this. And then it took me a lot of courage to message the girl on Instagram, like to book an appointment. Cause like, is that weird that you found them through like a YouTuber? Yet the YouTuber is publicizing who she gets her hair done for that very reason. But I think that's weird. Like, yeah. But, so this is her hair. And keep in mind, her hair is much longer. And this is my hair. That's pretty darn close for two different kind of textures. Again, this is like, I promise you it's super dark. Like, it doesn't look as dark. But like, this is it in a photo. Like, that I took in my car with natural lighting. Like, it's dark. Like, it may not look it, cause like the front is obviously gonna be lighter, but that's pretty close. Again, not in this like set of photos and how I'm looking, but like, I was shocked. She goes to Jessica Goldstein. So she actually just moved into her own salon, and I had booked when she was in her older salon, but I was like, okay, work up the courage, just ask her to do your hair. She was booked for 2 months. And so I had to wait. I booked early December for early February. So I was like, oh my God. And so she put like 4 different colors on my hair. And let me show you, you know, you take shameless pictures of yourself like everybody else in the world. Like, trying to see if I can show you. So this was where my hair was. I'm a Patriots fan. We lost, I know, it sucks. Where it was, and that even looks pretty good, but like, this is probably a better photo of where it was. So I lost all the ashiness like really right away, because I wasn't using a purple shampoo. So I'm super happy. She gave me a really good recommendation. I don't remember the name of it. Y'all are gonna kill me. You're like, really? You're telling me all this? But like, I'm really happy. Like, I guess I can do this, and then this photo. Actually, I'm in the same shirt. Is this from today? No, it's from 2 weeks ago. So this is me now. And then this is like what my hair looked like. So that's like natural wave. So it's so much better. Like the dimension that is, I just can't. Like literally she put a million colors on my hair. So I'm super happy about that. We are going to Florida for the funeral on Friday. So today is Wednesday. I have my trainer tomorrow. So I'm doing my nails tonight. It's already kind of late to do nails, but I'm going to take them off. I loved these nails, and I ended up taking this off because I was working and I like pulled a bunch off by accident, but like you can see there's like little dips. That's not gonna focus. It's not gonna focus. There we go. It's like little dips in there. Yeah, it's focusing back on me. So I just want a fresh set before I go to Florida. Although this one still looks good, but like I was really rough on my nails this the past 2 weeks. So it'll be 2 weeks in like a couple days. So I'm taking them off kind of early. Although I do 2 weeks, but really it should probably be 3. So I'm going to take these off. And I'll let you watch part of it. It's usually in my videos, but not with, actually, yeah, it's usually my videos, so that's kind of redundant, so, yeah, never mind. I won't bore you with it, guys. So, just finished my nails. How fun are these? So these are glossy, these two. These are matte, so, these are glossy because it has the glitter, and the rest are matte, but I love them so much. It's a much later time and I am way tired. Drinking some water out of my dollar store cup. I need to pack, I need to do laundry, I need to do all these different things. Let's give you a sneak peek though into my mess of a drawer. So this is where I keep a lot of the tools that I use. This is literally a mess, so don't judge me. Like I literally just threw everything in here because I just did a huge haul. These are all stamping polishes I have to review. These are all these Swarovski. I can never say that. Swarovski? No. Swarovski? 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 Swarovski crystals. I am wearing a B, which are these guys. I didn't put this guy on. I wanted to, but I just didn't. So that's what all these are in different kinds. I have the glitter that I used in my last tutorial. These are more of the buffers and stuff. These are the pigments to change it to like a hollow. So, and this is the sneak peek of that. Yeah, so needless to say, I love my drawers. Oh, hey. Sorry. Yeah, so I love those drawers, but I don't know. I can't believe like I'm almost out of room for light elegance. I mean, I could technically go back another row, but like, I think if I moved like these guys, like, so this is Vitaprime. This is what I put on my nails before I, sorry, my little like focus thing for some reason is way up here. There we go. Vitaprime, and then I use a soak off foundation gel, which is like right before you put on the gel, you put a soak off base. So the reason I do that is if I decide I don't want these anymore, which at this point, they're freaking awesome. And I like love them, like love them. This is probably because I can do them myself and I don't have to deal with like not sanitary stuff, like no issues with that, but like, and if like I hurt myself, it's like on me, you know? And I feel like when I hurt myself, it's like, suck it up, you're good. So it's like, it doesn't hurt as bad when I do it, but when someone else is doing it, it's like, oh my God, you know what I'm talking about. So I gotta put these back in their little baggie, but like, I'm like terrible. Let me just show you the amazingness. I don't even know if that's gonna focus. Like they're just, whoop, man down. They're just so pretty. Yeah, so that's why I think I like it more. And it doesn't smell like acrylic. Like the monomer for acrylic, ugh, is terrible. I don't even know if I would say I got 80% in the bag. And I dropped one. And they're worth looking for. Oh, it was a good size one too. I think that's all I dropped. I may have dropped one more, but you know, I didn't find that one. I know that one was like right there, so. But yeah, when I do my organization, this has gotten so big. I've had to separate, this is just glitters. Separate just the glitters from the solids. The solids is actually almost about to bust. I guess kind of so is this. I can't wait for summer to get some of these awesome freaking colors in. I feel like summer you can wear dark or light, but like in winter, you roll up with like this neon orange or like any of these neon colors up in there. Or like seafoam. Yeah, you get like stairs. So I am so excited. I almost have every order out. So I think I'm just 2 behind, which I want to get done before I go because I don't want to really think about Etsy while I'm in Florida. So I am gonna probably take care of that before I go. I'm putting my drill away if that's what you're wondering. I keep it in this place right here. So the drill goes in here. And that cable kind of go in there. Whoa. Since I won't be doing nails. I don't know what you were just looking at. Sorry. So I won't be doing nails. Oh, there's another one. Don't mind the dust on the ground. Yeah. But like, I mean, you can see it on my nails, but like, look at that. Yes. So I want to print the missing parts of the orders. I think I need to foil. I think that's why I can't get it out yet, because I need to foil. I did a whole bunch of headers, and yes, I just like my hair, like this like super dark, like caught me. Sorry, still really enjoying it. So yeah, so I think I need to foil, and that's why I haven't been able to get the orders out, because foiling takes a really long time, like a really long time. Trying to decide if I want to bring my vlog camera to Florida. I may just take some family time, and maybe I'll vlog some on my phone, so that way it's not like pulling out a camera. Because we're pretty much gonna be with family, so I just figured maybe scenery would be kind of pretty to look at. So, I don't know. But I will catch you guys later. Because I don't think this was a very long vlog. It might have been. And if it was, it'll probably end here. If not, you'll see next clip and I would have cut this out. So, there's that.